and that trumps any state law that legalizes marijuana.
Right now, there are efforts being made to allow you to smoke medical marijuana in the state of Florida. State Senator Jeff Clemens introduced a bill just last week. If passed, it would mean that you could smoke marijuana if you've been medically diagnosed with one of many medical conditions, anything from chronic back pain to depression. The U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration is against such efforts, saying smoked marijuana has not withstood the rigors of science. It's not medicine and it's not safe. Growing and smoking marijuana is against federal law, but a representative with the DEA says they don't go after individual users. We talked about that with our legal analyst, NeJame.
The federal cases are big cases, multiple kilos.
A representative with the DEA's office says there are no set guidelines on who they prosecute, but say it's normally someone caught with at least 1,000 plants.
The amount of medical marijuana that an individual would have for personal consumption relative to the threshold that the feds would ever prosecute a marijuana case, they're just two different things.
That being said, keep in mind that right now any form of marijuana is illegal in Florida. Still, the debate continues. Two sides with strong opinions.
If it helps alleviate, if it helps anyone, why not?
It's going too far. I believe it's a drug.
Well, once you break down one thing, what follows. But on the other hand, we have to be reasonable. You're not going to stop it. Is it any different than prohibition?
In Orlando, I'm Margaret Kavanaugh for News 13.
At cfnews13.com, you'll find more details on the bill that would legalize medical marijuana here in Florida. You'll also see why the federal government believes marijuana should remain illegal.